What's up, y'all? Hi, all guys doing? Welcome back to this awesome episode of Tomb Raider. Today we are continuing where we left off yesterday. Let's dig in. And I've completed the part where I was stuck, which was this machine gun right over here, which was killing me. If you've been following this series, you
Lara!
must know.
Laura!
Now I've
climb
gotten
over.
to my friend.
Come on.
Now let's save
Head for
her.
Roth. I'll follow. And Sam, don't get on the helicopter.
Just trust me. Please trust me. Go!
Okay. Now what we are up to. Escape the solitary compound. Gotta go this way. And maybe... No, I don't think so. So, where do we gotta go again? Okay, maybe up here. And then up here. Yup, now we're going the right way. Let's go over here. Yup, I think we're going the right way. Now we gotta go over there. Okay. Okay, let's get inside. I hope there's no more enemies. Okay, there are. Oh man, crap, I hate fighting these enemies. Okay. Let's get on.
I've got to stop them from getting on that helicopter.
Get to the chopper, cross the bridges. I gotta go to the chopper? Crazy, you're telling me all this stuff.
Destroy the bridges! But we'll kill our own people. Any other non-believers?
What are you talking about? You're killing your own people? We're running. We're running. Ah, I died. I stopped. Oh, I thought to myself that she's going all by herself. Oh, crazy. Why are you hanging on me? Oh man. Oh, I thought I needed to press X, and that's what brought me into danger. I gotta press Y. Y. There we go. Now it's our time to shine, baby. It's our time to shine. All the bridges are being destroyed. I'm running towards the chopper to save my friend,
We're taking
to
fire.
save myself, to save the
Wait!
entirety of this world.
It's too dangerous! Roth!
Let's see what we got. Climb to the tower and get to the chopper. Okay. I'll do that. This goes just keep. Ah, man. How did I fall? I think I had to wait a little to jump. Yeah, it jumped by itself. Okay, going forward. I mean going up. Everything's falling off. Do you guys see that? Everything's awesome. Everything is fire and burning to ashes. Everything is awesome. Ah man, I fell down. Okay, let's do this one more time. It's not an easy game, I'm gonna tell you all that. It's a really, really hard game, alright people? Stick with me. There's a lot of stuff that's going on. Okay, now I gotta jump over here. Jump. Now we gotta get past against all of this explosions. Okay, now what? Oh man, I had to go right. I was looking at the left side, and that what got me into trouble. And I'll jump to the right. Okay. Why I didn't even press the left analog. What the frick? Alright. We gotta be quick over. Ah man. As I'm saying this, I fell down. We gotta be quick, man. That's the way to go. Okay, hang on to it, Lara. Now move to the right. Go up, 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 yeah. Going up. Okay, onto the roof.
Roth!
Now got yourself a walkie-talkie, girl. Get moving.
Where are you?
I'm here, girl.
There we go.
Come on, jump!
This is our chance, our opportunity to see everything we have ever wanted. One moment. Oh man, we missed it. Alright, let's see what we got. Will we capture it or just let it slip? There we go. Move the chopper towards me. Oh, here we go. We got ourselves a save, baby. Let's go.
Grab my hand!
Move the chopper from the buildings, the burning buildings.
Roth! We have to land! We have to land or the storms are going to crash us! We can't leave!
Alright, there are people that are on our side that are still on the ground.
We have to land!
No way! Not in this weather!
We can't leave them behind!
I barely made it here in one piece!
Do it!
She'll pull apart!
Now!
Fuck! You're crazy!
Alright, we are landing for our people. And this will cost us our helicopter, I'm sure. Man, this is too loud. Wait a sec, man. This is too loud. My ears are just... Alright, now we're done. See, I told you. Our helicopter is coming. It's gonna cost us our helicopter. Crazy. This is crazy. This is really crazy. And here we go. A crashed helicopter. Crashed helicopter. Oh man.
Lara! Lara!
She's good, man. She's good. She's a tough one. Yeah, give her mouth to mouth. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. My God. Big guy. Yeah, I like that. Alright, cut it out, man.
Come
Cut
on!
it out, my inner self.
Come on! Ah! Come on, Lara!
It's them.
No bullets? Now you got your little gun, huh? After you've been damaged by the spear, axe, or whatever the hell that weapon is. Pull that out, Lara.
I can't do this without you.
I'm sorry, Lara. I'm sorry. You can do this. Croft.
Lara Croft. Was that her father? Who is this person? Man, I don't know.
No. No.
Here is all
Are you
our
okay,
people.
Lara?
Yeah,
Is
I'm
she
okay.
okay?
What do you think I am?
Because it's all about Lara, isn't it? Have you forgotten that she's the reason we're here?
That's not fair, Reyes.
You're right.
Yeah, that's not fair,
Shouldn't have said
bitch.
It's just... Roth. I don't know what we're gonna do without him.
Let's just find someplace safe and make preparations. He died as a warrior. We'll send him on as one.
Okay. Now what? Make ourselves a day camp? Is that it? We got our crew, I mean... That's one step further to the end of the game, I guess. I wonder what the end of the game would be. Like, will all these people
That old PT boat on
go
the
to
beach.
their houses
I should be able to
happily
fix it
or
up.
what? I don't know.
It's worth a shot.
One thing's for sure,
It doesn't
Lara is not
matter.
gonna die.
We're not getting
And I
off
can't
this
say
island.
that for the rest of these
Come on,
people.
Laura. Don't talk like that. We just gotta regroup. Come up with a
I just
plan,
want to press
you know?
the
You just
escape
don't
button
get
that you
it.
got on your
Any
t-shirt,
of
my
you.
guy.
Something won't
Shut
let
up.
us leave.
Something. Lara, you need sleep.
Look, I'll be the first to admit that I usually go in for the weird stuff, but this place is off the charts.
I'm not dying here. I'm fixing that boat and we're leaving.
Fixing that boat.
You know this island isn't right, Jonah. I know you do.
All I know is that we can't use logic to understand this place.
Alright,
I know
big
you
guy.
think your instincts are a weakness, but they're a strength. Trust them.
Yeah.
We need you, Lara.
The big man's right.
I can't leave him yet. I need time.
I guess I need time too.
You know where we'll be. Come down when you're ready. We won't go anywhere without you.
Keep this close.
But anyways, if you haven't guys subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified of these awesome gameplays. Not just this game, loads of games that I play. And also the like button will help me out a lot. So thank you all if you do that. If you
What
don't
am I
do
gonna
that,
do?
You've
Frick
got
you
great
all.
instincts, girl.
alright,
You've just
let's
got
get
to
moving.
trust them.
No one leaves.
The storms. They're linked to the power of the Sun Queen. That's what's stopping us leaving.
The monastery has a ritual chamber. If that's what the Storm Guard are protecting, the answer to stopping the storms must be in there. A hidden river entrance.
The boat. I'm going to use it to go inland to the ritual chamber.
Okay, sometime along
Jonah.
find a way out of the
Reyes.
forest. Okay.
Damn it.
I'm gonna pause it here, keep it short. Until then, people, take care, bye bye, Sastical, smile more, peace out, and keep doing what you're doing, and keep your head up.